All that glitters is not gold. Sometimes it's platinum, the metal rising above gold today for the first time since March last year. And one of the world's most iconic fashion brands has a renewed swagger. But let's start with platinum, which is up over 2%. South Africa's Amplats, the world's largest producer, is to mothball two of its mines and axe 14,000 jobs. This will see output cut by a fifth. I'm joined now on the line from Frankfurt by Daniel Briesemann. He's a commodities analyst at Commerzbank. Daniel, platinum testing $1,700 an ounce today. How much has this got to go on the upside in the near term?
Well, from a technical point of view, it can go up easily to maybe $1,760 per troy ounce. From a fundamental point of view, we think it can go even higher. Also, the recent price move, platinum gained around 10% since the beginning of the year, was likely excessive, and I wouldn't rule out some profit taking and some price setbacks in the very near future.
Of course, if we have more unrest like we did in South Africa back in August, when the tragic events that saw 50 miners killed, would that push it up towards perhaps closer to 2,000?
Maybe not 2,000, but we are quite optimistic for this year, and we think platinum prices can go up above 1,900.
Okay, what kind of buying activity are we seeing? Is this all being driven by speculators, do you think?
Yes, at least in part. We will see it in the next CFTC statistics to be published on Friday evening, and we would not be surprised to see that a large amount of speculative financial investors have stepped into the market and took advantage of the recently lower prices and pushed platinum prices higher.
Okay, just to finish up, we just had a chart of the platinum-gold spread. Platinum now trading above gold, as I said, for the first time in almost a year. Which of the two metals would you be a buyer of right now?
I would definitely buy platinum because we are very optimistic for the economic prospects this year, and as platinum is primarily used in industry, it should benefit from a recovery of the global economy more than gold. And given the supply concerns we are now seeing, and which are probably more severe than we all think, platinum should be very well supported this year. Okay,
Daniel, thank you very much. Burberry is back in fashion, at least in the eyes of investors. The luxury retailer beat forecasts with a 9% rise in third quarter underlying revenue. That's after a profit warning in September that had sent shares tumbling. The shares today last up more than 4%. Finally, our chart of the day is from the world of FX. Euro-Swiss, well, almost. This is Euro-Swiss implied volatility. OK, we're starting from a very low base, but it has tripled in only a matter of days. Speculators and hedge funds are all unwinding their bets the euro would fall below the Swiss National Bank's 120 floor. The surge back up towards 124 to its highest in over a year, catching many of them off guard, forcing them to buy protection in the options market. That was today's Market Pulse, but tune in at this time every weekday for your fix of what's moving on markets and why. I'm Jamie McGeever. This is Reuters.